a river crossing signal, but there's a 3-monster bell.
What is 3-monster bell?
It's a general signal type 2 electronic bell. I don't know the general signal type 1.
Yeah, come on, you can draw it right now.
I can start with traffic light.
Okay.
Okay. Like this. And then go this way, and then go this way, and then around the bend here. And then, but there's a traffic light, and then there's a traffic light, 2 of them. But there's on the top a little bit is a river crossing. But there's a bigger.
What is that?
Lamps on the crossing.
Light on the crossing, then?
And then another one's over here.
Yeah, what is that?
A lamp, all the two light sizes. You can see here's 2 light.
Okay, so what is that for?
That is for this one.
This one?
Yeah, but there's a barrier.
Okay, what kind of barrier?
1.
Okay, only one barrier.
And then make it another one. It's closing.
It's closing.
Yeah. But it goes here and then go back up to this guy. And then there's a Rico LED gate lights. And then the Rico LED gate lights again. There's so many. And then Rico, and then there's a Rico gate lights on it over here.
So the barrier, what is that for?
For this one. But it can go this one next. I will show you how to build this one.
Okay, so if the train is coming,
Yeah.
then
This is a small button.
small button.
Yeah. You can clip it. And then there's a button on the side. The button is on the side. He's hanging.
Okay, it's hanging.
Yeah. And press the button on the side. Think.
Ding. Then you can cross the road if you push the button.
Yeah, but it's dangerous. But there's the crossing gate is closed. But there's a Rico LED gate lights again. There's 2 Rico LED gate lights. This is 1 Rico LED gate light.
Okay, so if the train is coming, then the barrier
It's closed, and the Rico barrier it's closing. But the car is it's blocked.
are blocked by the barrier.
Closed.
Okay.
So we can make another barrier. So if you want the train coming, and then the people stopped.
Oh, the people stop. If the barrier closing. Good job.
This is tiny.
Oh, this is tiny.
Rico.
Tiny Rico.
Tiny Rico LED.
So how many general signal type on that picture, Hapsa?
Big. This is a big one.
The big one. What is that for?
For this one. This is for the mechanical bells from a little loud.
Oh, from loud.
Yeah, but this one is not loudest. But this is quieter.
Quieter. Okay.
But if it's closing, what gonna do is blocked.
It's black.
Yeah, the car is stopped if your barrier is closed, and then the block,
Okay.
and then the car is blocked.
The block.
Block until the crossing gate is down.
Okay.
Crossing gate is down.
Then the train is coming.
Yeah, like this.
Oh, like that. Oh, so if the train is gone, what?
The barrier is open.
the barrier is open. Okay.
And then the train is coming,
Mhm.
and then the barrier is closed again.
Oh, close it again. Okay, like that.